Well, this morning I woke up to several emails from my brokerage, Charles Schwab, inviting me to vote on the merger between DWAC and TMTG, or Trump Media and Technology Group. This has been a long time coming, and in this video we will go through how to vote, what it means for the stock price, when the merger will actually happen, and why the merger could spell a windfall of billions of dollars for Trump himself and potentially get him off the hook for the $500 million or so he's just been ordered to pay in several legal cases. Hey business warriors, I'm Ben Hedges, aka the Business Shifu, and on this channel, which is my second channel, I focus on investing, business, and my personal financial journey. If you want to come along for the ride, do subscribe. If you are a shareholder of DWAC, the special purpose acquisition company trying to merge with Truth Social, you will receive an email from your brokerage telling you to vote, okay? If you invest through Robinhood or Webull or other apps, you may get it as a notification in the app, but it'll be the same thing. You follow the link and it'll take you to a voting page. The first two questions that it asks you to vote on are the most crucial. Actually, it's really the first one, I guess, to approve and adopt the agreement and plan of merger. Obviously, you need to vote for on that, unless you want to see your shares go back to $10 a share. Second question is the name change from Digital World Acquisition to Trump Media and Technology Group. I assume if you're a shareholder, you'll also want to vote for on that one. Then as you scroll down, there are some board positions to vote on, like Kash Patel, Donald Trump Jr., etc. I just voted in line with the board recommendation, so basically for on all of them. But if you're really into researching these people, you may want to figure out this part for yourself or abstain. Now these votes are for the special meeting on March 22nd, so that is the day when you will see the result of the vote, and I expect the result to be positive and for the merger to go ahead. Shareholders would be destroying their wealth otherwise, since the only reason this company exists is to merge with another company and take it public, and most of the 400,000 or so shareholders are retail investors, probably just Trump supporters who've bought the stock. So, will the result of the vote make the stock soar? Well, that is not guaranteed. The merger may actually be priced in at this stage. When the SEC approved their paperwork for the merger on, I think it was February 14th, the stock did soar from the low 40s up to $56. But then after that, we've seen some people taking profits, so the stock has slumped back down to the mid-40s again. Today's emails sent out to shareholders haven't really moved the needle that much, okay? A little bit. The stock was up about 2.5% this morning. In my main account, which has 184 shares in it, that equated to a $200 gain and a total holding of $8,600. So I'm feeling the merger may be priced in at this point. You might see a little bit of upside as we approach March 22nd, maybe back up to above $50. But then after the merger, I predict there will be a bit of a sell-off as people take profits. And that may even start before March 22nd, since many people playing the whole SPAC game are buying the rumor, selling the news. But then we don't know, because a lot of the people could be just sort of Trump fans who just want to hold the stock forever. So with this one, it could be a little bit different, but that's not normally happens with these kind of things. Now, I think the thing that could really make the stock soar would be more positive results for Trump as he goes through the primary, like Nikki Haley dropping out, or when Trump becomes the Republican nominee, etc. But if you're more of a long-term investor, then I think you're going to be looking for how the company expands after the merger once they unlock more capital. But that's a much longer game. I love how this Yahoo interviewee described it in their article. This is a meme stock. It's not the type of thing where you bust out a PE ratios. You can throw that out the window, said Matthew Tuttle, the chief executive and chief investment officer at Tuttle Capital Management. DWAC has now become the de facto way to bet on or against Trump, he added. So speaking of betting on or against Trump, what does this mean for Trump himself? Well, he stands to increase his net worth by about $4 billion after the merger at the current stock price, and that would help him pay off the fines that were recently dished out to him in several cases. But Trump can't actually sell any of his shares for 6 months after the deal closes, but increasing his net worth by that much will certainly give him collateral to borrow money against to pay off those fines. DWAC's filings also give an option for the company to waive the 6-month time frame, although personally I don't like that idea. The majority owner shouldn't be able to cash out like that right after a merger. It feels like a pump and dump. But at a minimum, it gives Trump more options, and he is appealing the fines anyway, so in the end he may get his money back, even if he has to take out loans to to pay off those fines. As long as all goes to plan, the deal will close a few days after the meeting on March 22nd, and the ticker symbol will change from DWAC to DJT. I'll keep you guys updated with my position in the stock and any news that comes out. If you want a load of free stocks from Webull, do click the link below. I think you can get up to 20 free stocks just for transferring $500 into a new account. Obviously, that is your money. You can use it to buy stocks or do whatever you want with. Webull, of course, it's the fantastic zero commission investing app. It's got better charts and tools than Robinhood, so do check that out. And if you support our sponsors, you're supporting our channel too. Please subscribe if you're new. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.